How to sign a document. After opening the email you received from VeriDoc Sign, click on View Document. Over here you will be asked to review the document before signing. Click on Continue to review. Now create your signature and fill out the required fields. You can draw your signature if you want, or you can upload the image of your signature. Now select a signature style and click Continue. Scroll down the document and click on the Sign Here box. After checking all the details, click on Submit button. Your document has been signed and saved successfully in VeriDoc Ledger. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.